Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to paint foliage on walls or matter of fact any vertical surfaces. I'll be showing you all few tricks and few methods on how you can proceed to paint foliage on walls. So let's begin. As you see, I have my foliage already imported and a few walls in place. If you see while painting, nothing happens. You're not able to paint on vertical surfaces. So if you come down to the foliage settings here and set the ground slope angle, this is what does the magic. And there you go. Now you can paint your wall normally. The other option which I find really useful is the fill tool to paint on walls and add moss to it. Is once you click them and then use the erase tool to just clear up surfaces. This, if you want a really mossy wall, you can also use the fill tool and then adjust accordingly. So there you go. That's how you paint foliage on vertical surfaces. If you liked the video and found it useful, do subscribe and help the channel. Thank you.